Hello everyone, in this video, how to draw a straight horizontal line in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already created a new document, then step 1, select the pen tool without fill, click anywhere, hold shift, horizontal line, increase the size. Okay, and step 2, again create a new layer, select the line tool, shape, then hold shift. Again, rectangle without stroke. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.